You guys, it's Sunday night. I really haven't vlogged very much this weekend because we really haven't done anything. We were just sitting around yesterday. What did we do yesterday?
Get drunk.
We were drinking yesterday. We had game night and I was not gonna vlog that. We were within COVID standards, I guess. We've been doing our part, okay? We've been staying home. We've been washing our hands. We've been wearing our masks. We don't take our children out as much. Like, we've been doing our part. I came on here today, well, tonight, because now it's like 9:39. We didn't wake up until late, and Ashy took a late nap, so I know she's gonna be up for a while. Excuse me, I don't look a mess. Anyway, so we're gonna bake cookies. I'm gonna show you the recipe I found on Pinterest. It's supposed to be like toddler friendly because she gets ticked off when she has to wait or whatever. I usually try to pre-measure everything out and then bring her over to the KitchenAid with her little stool and then let her start dumping stuff inside the KitchenAid, and it usually works out better that way. So let me get it together. Let me do our pre-measurements. So this is the recipe that we're gonna be doing. It's really simple. Really simple. She's not very patient, so we're just gonna do these real simple, and then we're going to roll them out and use the cookie cutters that I got from my friend. And I also found a recipe for what is it called, for the icing, and we're gonna do this. I'm not exactly sure what this doesn't show the recipe. Hold on. So this is the ingredients for this. Very simple. I think that we're only going to do the, if I can find it, the Christmas tree. Okay, so I have all my ingredients out. I put this little mixing top, I guess, on the KitchenAid, but I might have to switch it to this one. I'm not sure which one you're supposed to use for cookie batter, but I'm pretty sure it's this one. You getting ready to help me bake some cookies?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Look, you already up here getting ready to start messing, huh? Hey, let's try not to make the flour go poof this time, okay?
Okay.
So you need to follow directions.
Okay.
Tell the people what we're making. Cookies. First things first, I already washed my hands, but you need to go and wash your paws.
I already did.
You did? When?
Yes.
I don't think you did. Come on. Welcome to Baking with Mommy and Ashy. It says preheat the oven at 350 with a rack in the center. Whisk together the flour and the baking powder. So this is the flour right here, and then this is the baking powder right here, and you can dump it in, big girl, and then we whisk it. Real easy, okay? Don't make the flour go poof. Look at her already. Look at her ear. Look. This is how it always starts. The flour. Okay, so step 2, it says using a stand-up or hand mixer, beat the butter together with the sugar. Okay? Wait a minute, that's not butter. What? This is how our baking usually goes. Okay, wait. And then it says add vanilla extract and 1 egg. Okay? Ready? So we gotta open up your butter. You open up this one. Alright? Open it up and I'll open up this one. It says the butter and what else? and the sugar. No! Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna turn it off. Whoa! Wow! No! Listen to me. Listen to me. Oh, girl. No!
That's her pet egg.
Let's wait. Whoa. Okay, now you can add the vanilla right here. Dump this in there. Real easy, real nice and easy. There you go. Oh God! We're gonna add an extra splash because I know we got shorted.
An extra splash.
Let's add a little extra splash.
Yeah, more than a splash.
Because we got shorted.
There you go.
Good. I found this recipe on Pinterest, okay? So if it doesn't work out, we can just post a fail. Alrighty?
Okay.
Here we go. So I decided to look into the instructions and we have been using the wrong top, like I said. So we're gonna switch her out.
Actually, stop.
We're gonna switch her out. So what we gonna do, sister, is that we need to add this in here. Put it in. Here, help me. Real easy. You have to let it go. It says to add it in 3 parts. So here, take the whisk out now and scoop it. She wanted to help so bad. Oh. But she don't like to get her hands dirty. So there's that. Okay, no.
Ashley, what you doing?
Did we stir her? Whoa! How do I put it on low? It's looking like batter though now. Okay, look, Mom. It's looking like batter now. She's coming together. You see her?
What happened to the sides?
You know what? Let's just dump it in there. Not the whole thing, just a little. But I don't know how to make it go slow. Like that's the lowest setting. I advise you back up right quick. I'm trying to make it stir up a little bit before. Okay, here we go.
Yeah, do it. There you go.
Oh, there she goes. Mo, look at me. What are you doing? You're supposed to be my assistant. Anybody has a KitchenAid and knows how to prevent it from going poof when you put flour in it like that? Let me know. I know it's an attachment you can buy, but let me know if we're doing something wrong because, you know, we amateurs. Whoa! And we still learning or whatever.
Ash has given up.
She's giving up on me. She's living with me. It's all right. Look, most of the flour is around here.
I know.
So, just a little disclaimer. Ashley did just sneeze in the kitchen. She normally puts her fingers in our batter and stuff. So we don't make desserts for other people unless like if someone comes over or something, they're like, oh, can I have a cookie or can I have a slice of your cake? I'm like, oh, you know, Ash helped make it and she may or may not have sneezed in the kitchen. She may or may not lick her finger and put it in the batter. Friends, local friends, you're more than welcome to our desserts. However, there's a toddler in the kitchen and she actively helped. Well, she was actively helping. Now she's done with me. So we're gonna take a quick break and then we're gonna come back after we clean up. You wanna help make the mess, but you don't like to help clean up. No, you don't. You were over there playing with the bread box. That's why I don't like to cook with you. That's why I can't be cooking with you, because you be messing. Daddy over there trying to watch football. He's supposed to be over here recording us, but he done gave up on us, Mom. We are our only hope, okay? We're gonna finish this, okay? We're gonna get it right, boo-boo, okay? Here, I'm gonna get. Oh! You can't be trusted. Come on. You can't be trusted. Give me this. Duck your head down. Duck it down. There you go. You can't be trusted.
Why?
Because you messing, girl. You messing too much. You messing.
I should get my bow first.
No, you don't need a bowl. Look. I'm gonna show you what we're fixing to do. Okay? Oh God, look at my phone. All the flour. It says, add flour, we done that. And then it says, divide the dough into equal parts on a lightly floured surface. Girl, close that. Roll into 1/4 inch thickness. Use cookie cutters to cut out your favorite shapes, okay? So this is our lightly floured surface. Help me, help me. There we go, beautiful. You're doing such a good job. Do you think we need some more flour?
Yes. You take a handful and
Not a handful. You take a little, only a little. Okay. Look at your body. Look at yourself.
Ashley, show me your hands.
Get out of your hands.
They're not dirty.
They are dirty. Ashy!
Mama got it.
No, you don't. No, you don't. I'm pretty sure she thinks it's a baby now.
Or a drum.
Or a drum, one or the other. Okay, that's good.
Cooking wet towel.
Okay, move your hands. Move them. Move your hands. Move. Move. Okay. Move. Look what you did. We finally had it even. Okay.
Sorry.
Watch out, Bo.